How to make any ringtone iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make any ringtone iPhone. First, go to Settings, then Sounds and Haptics. Now, under Sounds and Haptic Patterns, tap the sound that you want to change. Then, tap a ringtone or alert tone to hear it and set it as the new sound. You can use the tone store to buy new sounds. These purchases are associated with your Apple ID and payment method on file. Go to Settings, then Sounds and Haptics, then go to Ringtones. Then scroll to the top and tap Tone Store. Your purchased tones and ringtones appear at the top of the list of sounds. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.